Next topic, exercise 11.4, question number 10 and 11. Find the area of the shaded portion. Here 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, next is 10 centimeter. We have to calculate the shaded region. Okay, shaded region means what? D, C, E, F. Okay, first calculate the area of A, B, C, D minus what's it? Area of these two triangles. Okay, the sum of these two triangles. First we have to calculate what? Area of rectangle ABCD. Next minus area of triangle AEF minus triangle EBC. Okay, here how can you write it? First area of shaded portion equal to area of rectangle ABCD minus area of triangle AEF plus area of triangle BCE. What's the area of rectangle ABCD? AB into BC. That means length into breadth. What is the length? 18 centimeter into breadth 10 centimeter. Okay, here AB into BC minus of what is the area of triangle AEF? Half into base into height. Half into base. Base means what? We can calculate. We can take AF is a base. AF into AE plus next half into here BE into BC. Height BC. Anyway, you can take it base and height altitude. You can change it. Okay, no problem. Both are perpendicular, bisect each other. Then AF equal to 6 centimeter, AE equal to 10 centimeter. Then EB equal to 8 centimeter, BC equal to 10 centimeter. You should substitute in that formula. What is AB? AB equal to what? 18 centimeter. 18 into BC 10 centimeter minus half into AF. AF equal to 6 into 10 plus half into BE. BE equal to 8 into 10. 2 and 6 you can cancel 3. 2 and 8 you can cancel 4. Then 180 minus 30 plus 40 equal to what? 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70 equal to 110 centimeter square. This is the shaded portion area. Okay. Next figure PQRS. This is a square 20 centimeter. Here also 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter 20. Here also 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter 20 centimeter. QR 20 centimeter. We have to calculate the shaded portion. How can you calculate the area of the shaded portion? Area of the shaded portion equal to area of square PQRS minus what's it? The sum of these three triangles. Okay, for area of shaded portion equal to area of shaded portion equal to First area of square PQRS minus area of triangle TSU plus area of triangle PTQ or QTP, anyway QTP plus area of triangle next URQ. What's the area of square PQRS? 20 into 20. That means PQ into QR. Okay, side into side. 20 into 20 minus next area of triangle TSU. That means half BH. Half BH means what? Half into SU consider base and TS consider height. Base equal to SU into TS plus next triangle QTP half into and PT into PQ plus half into next URQ. What's the UR into QR? Half into base into height. 20 into 20, 400 minus half into SU means what? 10 into TS equal to 10 plus half into PT equal to 10 into 20 plus half into UR equal to 10 into QR 20. 2 and 10 you can cancel 5. 2 and 10 also cancel 5. 2 and 10 5. 400 minus 50 plus 100 plus what's that? 50 into 2 100 equal to 400 minus 250 equal to 150 centimeter square. This is the shaded portion area 150 centimeter square. First you calculate what? Area of square minus of the sum of these three triangles. Okay. Next, last question. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Here AC 22 centimeter, BM 3 centimeter and DBM 3 centimeter and DN 3 centimeter and and BM perpendicular to AC, DN perpendicular to AC. Okay, this is the height of these two triangles. Here two triangles are there, ADC and ABC. The sum of these two triangles is equal to what? Area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, first you write it. Area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC equal to what? Half into what is the area of triangle ABC? Here base into height. This BM perpendicular on side, what's it? Drawn on the side AC, then AC into BM plus half into same thing AC into DN equal to half into AC equal to 22 into BM 3 plus half into AC 22 centimeter DN 3. 2 and 22 can cancel 11, 2 and 22 cancel 11, 11 into 3 33 plus 33 equal to 66 centimeter square. What is the area of quadrilateral ABCD? 66 centimeter square.